So Hess's law states that the enthalpy change for the overall reaction is equal to the parts that make up the reaction. So if you look at this diagram here, you might have a reaction that has A that goes to D. But if you can break that up into little pieces and go A to B, B to C, and C to D, those three things will also add up energetically equal to delta H here, because they both start with the same thing and finish with the same thing. So there's sort of a summary, mathematical summary of how it works. And if we just have a look at the problem, so this is sort of a roundabout way of looking at it. So if that is the case, you can now mathematically add reactions together. So we have these two reactions here, and we added them here. So we've got the carbon that comes down here, the CO, the two halves make a whole, and then we have a C and a CO2. And so whatever you do to one side, you can do to the other mathematically. We've added them together, so we can see that this has been added together down here. And we're finished with the final reaction. So C plus O2 goes to CO2. And vice versa, you can break that up into smaller parts, and they consist of these two smaller parts.